How to enable NFC on Samsung. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can enable NFC on Samsung, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to enable NFC on Samsung, NFC is basically a wireless payment feature which you can directly start paying from your phone. To enable NFC, first of all, open up your settings. In the search bar, the easiest way would be for you to simply search for NFC over here, or what you can actually do is you can simply go to connections and you can go to NFC and contactless payment, and you can simply enable this. Once you've enabled that, you have successfully enabled NFC on a device, and you can set the payment method with Google Pay, pay with current open app, or you can see all of the other options that does allow also as well. So depending upon which one you want to use, you can select that and you have enabled NFC on your device. This way you can enable NFC on Samsung. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.